DJI Mavic Mini Firmware Update. Got that coming up next. Today is December the 4th, 2019, and DJI released a firmware update for the DJI Mavic Mini. I'm going to put a slide up on the screen that's going to go over all the particulars. Now, it was released on today's date, 12/4/2019. The aircraft firmware and the remote controller firmware are v01.00.0300. The DJI Fly app for iOS is v01.00.03, and the DJI Fly app for Android is v1.0.3. And here's what's new. The first, increased flight stability in some scenarios. Number 2, optimized propulsion system status prompts. Number 3, optimized performance when taking off in areas of high elevation. Number 4, optimized aircraft orientation control. Number 5, optimized gimbal control. And number 6, fixed issue, some remote control model numbers were displayed incorrectly. Now, as of all of these that DJI has fixed with this, I think the one that we have all experienced is optimized propulsion system status warnings. So I'm going to go ahead and roll a short clip so you can go ahead and see what that is. Well, I'm going to also go ahead and roll a clip to show the actual firmware update so you can see how the process goes. It's actually very easy. Installing the firmware update in your DJI Mavic Mini is easy. All you have to do is click on the blue Install, then click on the white button that says Update, and your update is underway. A tip: I would highly recommend that when you do the updates that you do it where you have a strong signal for whatever cell phone carrier you have. The update is underway and it's going to go from 0 up to 100%. Now I'm letting this run the entire length of the update and not fast forwarding through it so you could see how long the process takes. And now the process is completing. You get a check mark to indicate that the firmware update is complete on your DJI Mavic Mini, and it tells you a status on the DJI Go Fly app as well. Question of the day: have you performed the latest firmware update on your DJI Mavic Mini? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.